Iran-Israel tensions reach new high. Hundreds dead, major nuclear site damaged. Namaskar, welcome to Heavies TV. I am Shashira. The conflict between Iran and Israel has taken a deadly turn, with major airstrikes, missile attacks, and heavy civilian and military casualties on both sides. Iran's President Masoud Pezeshkian has given a strong statement calling for an end to what he called the adventures of giant terrorists. He said Iran needs to give a strong and final response and added that the only way to stop this war is for the enemy to completely stop its aggression. In the latest airstrikes, Israeli forces attacked key sites inside Iran overnight. One of the main targets was the Khundab heavy water production plant, which plays a crucial role in Iran's nuclear program. Initially, there were no visible signs of damage, but now the International Atomic Energy Agency has confirmed that several parts of the plants were hit, including the distillation unit, causing serious damage. Casualties mount. Hundreds killed, the war is causing severe human losses. In Israel, Iranian missiles struck Tel Aviv on Thursday night, hitting a hospital and nearby residential building. More than 200 people were injured, many of them critical. In Iran, Israeli airstrikes killed a large number of people, according to a Washington-based Iranian human rights group. At least 639 people have killed. Among them, 263 are civilian, over 1,300 others are injured, including women and children. Several top Iranian generals and nuclear scientists have also died. In retaliation, Iran launched around 400 missiles and hundreds of drones at Israel. These attacks have killed 24 people and injured hundreds more. Amid this escalation crisis, US President Donald Trump has issued a serious warning. He said he will decide in 2 weeks whether the US military will directly get involved in the Iran-Israel conflict. Trump mentioned that there is still hope for new talks with Iran on its nuclear program. Trump had recently left the G7 summit in Canada earlier than planned, but clarified that his exit was not related to the Iran-Israel war or any ceasefire discussion. As both Iran and Israel continue their attack, the chances of a large war in the Middle East are increasing. The world is now watching closely, especially with the US possibly joining the conflict, which could lead to a much bigger and more dangerous situation. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Heavies TV. Namaskar.